the blizzard of 2016. Street next to my house has not even been plowed yet. We got a ton of snow. We have like trenches dug out on our sidewalks to be able to get to our cars and stuff. That's what it looked like to lead out to my other street here. Even the cars are in between trenches. It's amazing. And with the blizzard conditions, there's very little snow on this side, but yet in the back of the house, it's hanging 3 feet over the edge of the roof. I'll probably add some pictures of that later on in this video. And yeah, that's what it looks like here. I'll be back in a sec with a video from around back. For all those who may be watching right now, I couldn't even push this door open at noontime yesterday. I had to force it open. And you step out my back door into a trench. We got an insane amount of snow. It's hanging, well, it was hanging a lot more last night. It was hanging 3 feet over the edge. Looks like on our hot tub here, there's about 2.5 feet. Just pathways, little trenches through the snow to get everywhere around here. Another view of the street next to my house where they haven't even plowed yet. The snow is probably at least waist deep in the backyard. Just insane amount of snow. In this little area here we had all dug out because they've got a generator. In case we lost power, I wanted to have that ready to go with a nice wide open space for it to sit in. All I would have to do is prop the plywood and tarp up a little bit higher and I'd be good to go. So yes, this is the result of the winter storm here. It's actually ripping the gutter off my house, I noticed. Nothing I can do about it until everything starts melting. Hopefully it remains intact and okay. We shall see.